Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by preparing both devices, unlock the phone, plug the data cable into phone and laptop, and set the phone to File Transfer or MTP mode. Once done, watch for the phone prompt and tap Allow so the laptop can access files. This prevents permission blocks. Make sure the cable is a data cable. Many chargers only provide power, and verify the laptop recognizes a new device. If it does, open File Explorer or Finder to begin navigating folders. You now perform the transfer. Open your laptop's File Explorer or Finder and click the phone icon to browse internal storage or SD card. Then select files, single or multiple, and drag them into the target folder on the laptop or use copy and paste. For many small files, compress into one archive first to speed the process. For very large transfers, plug into a USB 3.0 port or use a trusted Wi-Fi transfer app to avoid cable issues and achieve faster throughput. You finalize the process by ensuring all file operations complete, then safely eject the phone from the laptop before disconnecting the cable. This avoids corrupted files. If the phone isn't detected, make sure USB mode is set correctly, try a different cable or port, and consider enabling USB debugging briefly to diagnose. If problems persist, switch to Wi-Fi transfer, Bluetooth, or upload to cloud storage and download on the laptop. These alternatives work when cables or drivers fail.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.